What's up, you guys, man? Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, man. Okay, guys, so today is day 5. I'm pretty sure, yeah. So, so yesterday we finished we finished the first part of part 5. Uh, yeah. So now we're gonna continue with uh, This is part B. This is part B. We left off here, and we're gonna continue. And we're gonna continue. Okay. So I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm gonna straight away just start the first session. All right, guys. So first session starts now. First session. Okay. Okay. So we were here. Yeah, I thought I already wrote this yesterday, but yeah, lie invisible said lie invisible. Okay, lion form. That's actually not what the form is called, bro. Oh wait, so this is a whole freaking like this is a whole function right here, man. This right here, this whole thing is a function, bro. I didn't realize that yesterday. This whole thing is a function. Okay, so this whole thing is a function. Uh, yeah, we want a button to show it and to hide it. Okay, yeah we did separate it into its own component. Okay, so it's gonna be yeah, so it's initially false. So actually, if it's true, it's gonna set it to none. Otherwise, yeah, not gonna do anything. And then show when visible. So now if uh so if this is false, it's not gonna do anything, right? No, so yeah, so this is gonna be for the false case or something. Okay. Okay, so basically we're making this entire thing a function we're gonna plug, and we should just put this in the JSX. Pretty sure is style. Highway visible. Don't even know. Oh, okay, so basically just the yeah. This is just so we have this display, right? So it's gonna that's basically a style. Yeah. So yes, so we're gonna set to login visible to true, and yeah, so we're gonna set the login visible to true, and now we're gonna show this, right? So that's another div. It's another div. To login from okay. So I'm not gonna. I don't need to put in this username password, whatever. Say username. Yeah, we don't. We have that. We have what is logic is here. The handle login and whatever. So yeah. So actually, I don't need to plug anything in here. Yeah. Yeah. Cancel. So. Let's hit false. Yeah. So now we don't want. Yeah. Yes, we have a button for hiding and for showing. Uh, okay, yeah, and this isn't. Okay, so it looks like we're adding more stuff, or what? Or what? Children. Okay, wait, bro. Okay, yeah, I just. Okay, guys. So basically, right now I'm in the blogs. Right now I'm in the blogs, but I should be inside the notes. Yeah. So yeah, I was wondering why the last things that I did yesterday aren't here, and it's because I'm in the wrong files. So I mean, I wouldn't say it was a waste of time. I wouldn't say it's a waste of time because I still, you know, because I still did stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna have to open I'm gonna open the notes because yeah, I was in the blogs and I was like, wait, why is the changes from yesterday not there? And yeah, that's why. All right. Yeah. So, okay. Yeah. Yeah, we should be good. Should be good now. Yeah, okay, there we go. All right. Okay. Yeah, that's why the changes weren't there, man. Weren't there, bro. Yeah, it's right here. So, yeah, I'm not gonna type out the whole thing again. I'm not gonna type everything again. We don't need these. I mean, these. All right. Okay, next. Toggle label. It was a toggle label. Put them away. Okay, we don't need these. Okay, reveal. This is a start. Cortar label shown below. Visible set it to none. Otherwise, don't do anything. So if it's yeah, if it's not okay, so if it's not visible. If it is visible, we do nothing. Show invisible. Yeah. If it is visible, we do nothing. If it's not, yeah, I think I wrapped my head around it better now. So not, yeah, that's a smart way to do it. Okay, perhaps button label. Okay, why are we not destructuring? Okay, let me click here. Show invisible. Okay, so this is just show. Okay, it's exporting here. Child components of the component. She's an array. So display toggle into the formats for creating nodes. Let's extract the form for creating nodes into components. Okay, submit. Okay, so what are we doing like right now? Okay, we got a node form already though. I already got a node form, bro. On submit handle change value. I mean, I already got it. I already got this. set up toggle label component. So toggle label component. Okay, so label. So I guess I'm just gonna. So basically, we're just with the node. Okay, it's here. So I guess we just basically do this, right? And button label. Okay, so what changed? New note. Okay, so the note form. Okay, got a lion though. Yeah, I don't actually know if. Okay, so this input field I gotta make it password, bro. Okay, this is the lion form. I don't know why it's not a. No, it's not that. Yeah, I don't know what type of users I got in here. Okay, root. Okay, so why didn't that? Send wrong credentials. Okay, bro. So are we not? Okay, there we go. All right, so oh yeah, new note. Okay. So this is just a label for okay, button label. Okay. All right, so we are. Yeah, this is just a prop. Just a prop. Props are button label. Props are children. So this shows all the children of this. So yes, this is called new note, right? And okay, so when it's visible, so when it's hidden, this is when it's hidden, and when we click, it should be the cancel should pop up. Yeah. Okay. Just do something. That was status code. What the heck? Status code. Yeah, this is supposed to work or what? Alright, Barrett 400. Node.js. What's going on? Okay, so we did get a post request. Didn't it say in the previous part that it doesn't the creation doesn't work or something. Option. Point is true. Okay, so where is this at? Nose.js. Okay. What is it? Okay, guys, it's break time. Yeah, think come on. Okay, maybe I'm gonna move this like. Should I move this to the middle? Hey, let's. Thank you, bro. Hello. Hey, don't spam, man. Please don't spam. So it's giving me error from. Okay, I'm gonna take the break. I'm not gonna. After the break, bro. Okay, so when we're here, like, uh, we are here, right? But bro, yeah. So right now, I don't think that you guys can see the. Don't think you guys can see the. Okay, so try to again. Okay, this, uh, this, and maybe somewhere here. Maybe somewhere here. Okay, man. To be honest, I guess I'm gonna keep it there. Uh, maybe here on the right. We might not be able to see that code then. Okay, no one. I will put it. So I will put this in the middle somewhere here, somewhere here, somewhere there. Okay, let's see if you can see. Let's see if you can see better like that. Okay, let's see now. Okay, so okay, so we're let's go. Let's go to the right dance. Okay, let's go. Okay, not that. Maybe here. Okay. You know what, guys? Yeah, it obstructs the view wherever it is. So yeah, whatever. Okay, whatever. Yeah, we gotta start the next session. So gotta start the next session. Next session. Okay, first I gotta figure out why we can't make notes. All right. Okay, so the post request is being sent correctly. So what's the issue then, bro? What it said? It said. So here 28 is just 28. Post base random object config. Okay, what is config? Config. Bro, what the heck is config? Okay, config is the token. Yes, I'm gonna. Okay, so it request make a request by notes status code for 100. Okay, so let's test important false. Okay, it's called bearer. Okay, let's see our controllers. It's not post request, so user ID. We're missing or user find by ID. Body.user ID. Okay, so I don't have that. I don't have that. Okay, wait. So we got the okay. So this yeah, we got ID here. So this is being called where now? Object create. Create. Okay, so it should be in this. Okay, add note. Add note. Add note. Okay, here we go. Content, yeah. So we need the ID, right? So we need the ID. Class user is okay. So we have user, right? So I think user is just we just have user already. So I don't think I need to. Yeah, we have user. All right. So if we don't get a user, we're just gonna say no user or something. Okay, so and what is this one that wants user body.user ID, so we need to call this user ID. The ID should be what? User.id. Does it have user ID? Yeah, but a user ID. Okay, let's try now. Some notes, whatever this. Okay, fresh. Sorry. Okay, same thing. Response status JSON. All right, bro. So it's not. Aha, undefined. All right, so basically we've got a. So actually call it ID. Okay, bro, where's the... Okay, so why is this like... But it's like this. The heck? Why does it only have the content and the no object? So where's that create? So that create. So we got the, yeah, this the note. Create. Response data. Okay, man. What is... Okay, man, I'm gonna console log see user or whatever, and yeah, something is so it got to this, or did it? I mean, it didn't give me this, so token username. Okay, we only have the token and username. Token and username. Oh, we need the ID too, though. Like, we need the ID as well, man. So we gotta find where this is setting this, dude. Okay, it's giving only. Okay, so maybe I think I should go in my users. Give token username. Okay, bro, what? Token and username. Let's give token and username. And find. Okay, bro. So, okay, I'm gonna search in here, bro. Can use can add. Wait, I'm getting the user from. Yeah, so I got the username. Should I get him by? Okay, like, okay, what is this, bro? Where is this used? And credentials. Wait, this is just the username and password. Okay, same shit. Same thing. Must not there. This is opposed to the opposed to API login. To login. Okay, what does this return? Okay, it finds the user by the username. Secret response test send token username name. Okay, I want to get the find them by username. Okay, how do I get the ID back here? Response. So for token. So username to user. Username password. Okay, bro. What returns the with API login? Okay, let's get something like login.js. API/login, bro. Bro, what am I missing, bro? Just posting to the. Okay, man, I have no idea at this point. So, I have no idea at this point. Where am I getting the mouse user? Something required, whatever. Okay. Yeah, man. Yeah, run request body. So get notes. When we create a new note, body.user ID. Body.user ID. But we don't have that. We don't have that. ID new object. Server/ID. Okay, that's actually the ID of the. That's the ID of the node, though. That's the ID of the node. Okay, let's add the try catch, man. Now yeah, it's exactly that, bro. User ID missing or not valid. It's exactly that. I mean, I already knew that though. Define reading ID. Yeah, user ID missing or not valid. I mean, I already knew what that error. I already knew what that error was. What's up, IRL Venge? What's up, man? Okay, man. This is the last session. After this, so about to go into the last session, bro. I mean, man, I already knew what the error is, man. Like ID missing or not valid. It expects to get the ID in the body. it lion or users? It should be users. Do we even have a way to? Okay. Okay, guys. Last session. Last session for today. Last session for today. Okay, so am I even like gain the users, bro? Like, I mean, best users. So it's a middleware. No, it's not. Where is it? An app. Okay, we do have our users, whatever. Yeah, but pretty sure I don't got that in the front, right? Yeah. Okay, so I think I need to make a right, and then the base URL is API users. Okay, and I'm gonna get by username. Okay. Don't know if I okay, we don't have this. Okay, so I don't have a get by thing like that. Response. Okay, so I have all the users, so I can get all the users. I can get all the users, right? We can get all the users. Can get all the users. Okay, here I'm combining. So I have constant get all. Right? I have get all. Constant response is get base or L. I'm gonna say I'm console log users response data. It's gonna be response data, and I'm gonna turn response data. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna. Where do I call this? Okay, I think I'm just gonna. I'm gonna just call it use effect. Okay. So now I have import your service from services users, and I'll just say in here uh, have the users with user service to get all, and I'm just gonna. Okay, this is not an async function though. Okay, I'm not gonna bother to make it. I'm just gonna make a new one that is it within a sync function. So I'm gonna say um, get all users. I'm gonna say return users. Right, I'm gonna say constant users is gonna be await get all users, and okay, actually no. Let's say console log d. So there you go. We're gonna get okay, let's see what happens. Alright, so we got the users, which is nice. Okay, nice. Okay, so okay, first step. Alright. Okay, we got all the users now. Okay, so now we want to find by username, right? Find by username. Let's get by username. I'm gonna say say username here. It's actually oh, it'll be await. Okay, then I'll wait here. I'm gonna wait to get all. So when I get all, and I'm gonna say then our user it's gonna be, so our user is gonna be initially no, and now I'm gonna say all out for each, and okay, I'm actually gonna do where is 0 listed the length. The guy plus plus where is it not this. Okay, and I must say if user dot if all of I dot username is username, I must say user is all of I break, and I'm gonna turn user actually goes to console log user founder or whatever. I'm gonna say get by username. Get by username. Okay. So I'm actually gonna make this simple. I'm gonna initially just say I'm initially gonna use this get by user. We got say sync whatever, and class user is gonna be no user service that by username is late. We actually gotta wait, and then the log our user is user.data. Actually it should be no, it's just user. I'm just gonna return user, so we can get by username. Let's see. Where is this? Users.js. Okay, nice. We got him. All right. So we got the user by username. Now all we have to do is get the username into the into the adding. All right. So we're gonna say const user ID is equal to user service dot get by username user dot username, and I'm just gonna send the it's gonna do the user ID. Okay, all right, and the user does have a username, so yeah, I think username should be unique. I think think so. $247. Malformed ID. Okay, so I didn't. Oh wait, I didn't. Oh wait. Okay, okay. Yeah. So say const get user by username, and it's gonna be async. It's gonna have a username. I'm just gonna say const user is await user service.get by username, and I'm gonna then turn it. Right, so okay, this needs to be an async function for this to work, bro. Say returned note is node service that create node object, and then set nodes dot concat return node and set new node to empty. We await user by username. What's it called? ID or user ID? ID. Dot ID. Okay. All right. Okay, again error. User ID missing or not valid. Okay, and why the heck did this like body undefined? Okay, I added so much code that like uh user in add note. Can access user before initialization. Okay, bro. Here is local user. Oh. Alright, so okay, so okay, another error. Minimum allowed length of file. Okay. Hello world. Okay, this I think it worked, right? This is a new note. Confirm that you can create or something. Okay, I gotta stop these okay guys, so finally it works, bro. Finally it works. Jesus Christ. That took a while, bro. Okay, it works now. Alright, man, so yeah, let's remove all these console logs because yeah. Hmm. Okay, guys, finally got it to work nice. Uh we finally got it to work, bro. Okay, I also got the use effect. So this okay, we can comment this out. New note made from Lex. Let's have a key prop, whatever. Okay, there we go. Alright guys. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. What doesn't have a key prop, by the way? Like, what? What doesn't have a key prop? Okay, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, let's go, man. Let's go. All right. Okay, man. And now Lex should have some notes. Yeah, here they are. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, for some reason it's not updating the. For some reason it's not. I am doing set notes, but like those I can't get return notes. Yeah, so I am doing set notes, but state of the forms. Oh, wait, I'm so tiny. Okay, guys, that was the last session for today, guys. That was the last session. So I'm gonna stay with you guys for 5 more minutes and I'm gonna go. Hello, guys. Oh, what's up, guys? Yeah, so I'm pretty sure they said in the previous part that it's optional to that the node creation doesn't work and it's optional to do it. I'm pretty happy with myself that I was able to do it though. Not gonna lie. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go in 50 seconds, bro. I'm gonna go in 50 seconds. Okay, guys, 10 seconds and I'm gone. 10 seconds and I'm gone. If you want to ask something, now's the time, bro. Okay, to be honest, no, you can't ask. I mean, you can ask, but I'm going, bro. Yeah, I'm out of here. Alright, guys. Thanks to everybody who joined today. Another day, another W. Another day, another W. Alright. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a nice rest of your Wednesday.